Welcome to the solution of Basic Maths 2026 Gala. Starting from the this is paper number 1. Let me jump few slides to paper number 2. Paper number 1 का solution already Gala में दिया हुआ है, so I don't need to really create the solution for it. So here it comes, paper number 2, page number 27 of Gala. The first question, they have given a rectangle, and we know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. तो opposite sides are equal का rule apply करना है, which means x plus y is equal to 12, and also x minus y is equal to 8. Therefore, doing elimination, 2 सामने divide हो जाएगा, x is equal to 10. A tip, don't find y because there is only one option जिसमें x is equal to 10 है. x2 नहीं है, x12 नहीं है, x minus 2 नहीं है. Therefore, y ढूंढने में टाइम वेस्ट करना मत. Second, if the discriminant of the equation so and so is 1, find k. I am doing it with full method so that you can understand. बाकी तुम्हें full method की जरूरत नहीं. The first step is find the value of a, b, c, and then start. The discriminant is 1, which is given. Discriminant का formula b square minus 4ac is equal to 1. b square minus 4ac is 1. Minus k का square, k square, 48, 1. Minus 48 सामने चला जाएगा, 49. Most of the students will write k7, mark k7, but this is wrong. Minus 7 is wrong. The correct answer is plus or minus 7, because remember k square is 49, तो k is root 49. Root 49 plus 7 भी हो सकता है और minus 7 भी. Therefore, there are two answers. Third sum. (2k plus 1), 13, and 5k minus 3 are 3 consecutive terms of an AP, which means this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. Define करना है, तो a2 minus a1 हो सकता है, 13 minus 2k plus 1 in bracket, and when bracket opens it becomes minus 2k minus 1, which is 12 minus 2k. बट डिफाइन करने का एक दूसरा रास्ता भी है यहां से, तो वो भी डिफाइन करते हैं. d is equal to 5k minus 3 minus 13, which is 5k minus 16. Both the values of d needs to be compared, and when you compare them you will easily be able to find out the value of k. Minus 2k becomes plus 2k, therefore this becomes 7. 16 यहाँ पे add हो जाएगा, 12 plus 16 becomes 28. 7 will get divided. 28 upon 7 is k. Answer k is 4. Option number B. Fourth objective. The distance of so and so point from the x-axis is dash units. 9th स्टैंडर्ड का क्वेश्चन है ये। इस पॉइंट का एक्स एक्सिस से डिस्टेंस जो है वो है y कोऑर्डिनेट, बट ओनली एंड ओनली इन पॉजिटिव फॉर्म, देयरफॉर 3 इज द आंसर। अगर सेम क्वेश्चन पूछते व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ -6,7 from y-axis, then the answer would have been the x wala number but only positive. Fifth question, for the given figure BC is 20, we can see here angle A is 30, AB और AC कितना है? Now there is a shortcut and the shortcut is 30 degree के सामने, remember this dialogue in Hindi only, 30 degree के सामने is half of hypo. तो 30 के सामने जो भी साइड है वो हाइपोटेनियस का हाफ होता है, तो हाइपोटेनियस 40 है, इसलिए 20 है। एंड हाउ टू फाइंड आउट AB? फर्स्ट वी विल सी द ऑप्शन AC 40। देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस, देयरफॉर सब मुझे आगे करना पड़ेगा। ऑल्सो AB की वैल्यू पहले पूछिए, तो AC 40 हो गया, तो आई विल चूज ऑप्शन जिसमें 40 पीछे है, फिर भी दो ऑप्शन है, देयरफॉर वी विल फाइंड आउट AB नाउ, and for that we'll have to do Pythagoras. Pythagoras is side square plus side square is hypo square. Side AB missing, another side 20, hypo 40, AB square plus 400। एक्चुअली ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट देख लो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में काम में आएगा। आई विल ऑल्सो टीच यू अनदर शॉर्टकट। AB is root 1200, root 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 into 10 into 10। 9 स्टैंडर्ड चैप्टर 1 नंबर सिस्टम में सीखा था AB is 20 root 3, AC is 40, AB AC 20 root 3 40। But there is a super shortcut which you remember from here, और ये सब 30 डिग्री के बेसिस पे होता है। सो इफ one angle is 30, one angle is 90, तो तुम ये याद रख सकते हो कि हाइपो चाहे जो भी हो 16, तो 30 के सामने इज हाफ ऑफ हाइपो, रिमेंबर दैट एज अ ट्रिक, और 30 के बाजू में हाफ ऑफ हाइपो √3, and this is always 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 fixed. One more try, another right angle triangle. If this is 30 degree and if somebody says that hypotenuse is 8, तो पहला डायलॉग है 30 के सामने हाफ ऑफ हाइपो, तो ये 4 हो गया, और 30 के एडजेसेंट हाफ ऑफ हाइपो √3। You will completely avoid doing Pythagoras if it's an objective question. It will help you save time. Question 6, which you have to by heart the answer. इसमें आंसर 2 आ सकता है या 3 आ सकता है, depends on what is the question. Mode minus mean is equal to dash multiplied by median minus mean. तो अगर z minus x है तो z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. This is one formula which you have to by heart. It's printed in the textbook. और इसके मॉडिफिकेशन में से ये जन्म लेता है, आंसर विल बी 3, which you please by heart. बट ऐसा ही दूसरा सम पूछेंगे, z minus m is equal to m minus x bar. तो आंसर आएगा 2. प्लीज वेरी क्लियरली बाय हार्ट, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, एंड द आंसर फिलहाल मोड माइनस मीन है, देयरफॉर आंसर इज सी. Seventh question, 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number because root 5 is irrational. Sum of zeros. बहुत लोग sum of zeros में actually zeros find करने बैठ जाते हैं, but that is very very wrong. You are wasting your time. A 4, B minus 3, C minus 7. Sum of zeros का shortcut है minus B by A. Minus B by A. Answer is 3 by 4. No need to find the zeros actually. Probability of an event that is certain to happen is 1. By heart the answer. Cot square minus cosec square is minus 1. Actual trigonometry में formula है cosec square minus cot square is 1. अगर इसको उल्टा कर दो तो ये -1 बन जाएगा, याद रखना. It's a trick question, it's a tricky question. Therefore, don't fall into the trap and don't mark 1. A line intersecting a circle at two distinct points is called secant. Objective question है from chapter circle. If the mean of observations 7, 8, x, 11, 14 is x, find x. Okay. Mean is x. ये रहा. Mean is x. Mean फाइंड कैसे करते हैं? सारे ऑब्जर्वेशंस का टोटल, 5 ऑब्जर्वेशन है, 7 प्लस 8 प्लस x प्लस 11 प्लस 14 अपॉन 5. 15 प्लस 25 40 प्लस x अपॉन 5. 5x is 40 plus x, 4x is 40, x is 10. Answer. So this is the formula of mean, which you can by heart like this. Mean is sum of all observations upon number of observations. ये भी पूछ सकते हैं what is the formula of mean. Remember this. 13. For any two positive integer a and b, HCF into LCM is a into b. True. It's a formula printed in textbook. From the given graph y is equal to px, the number of zeros is number of zeros 2. मतलब कह रहे हैं 2 zeros है. Answer is wrong. X axis is cut only one time. 2 zeros नहीं, एक ही zero है, and therefore it is false. 15th objective. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the pair of equations is consistent. The condition है, and it is true. The sum of probability of all the primary elements events is 1 आना चाहिए, but उन्होंने 1 की जगह लिखा है 0, therefore answer is false. For a given AP, find the common difference. D का एक फॉर्मूला है am minus an upon m minus n. So I will put a25 minus a15. तो m और n की वैल्यू 25 15 हो गई, तो नीचे 25 और 15 आएगा. But I have the answer for this. I have the value of a25 minus a15, which is 24 upon 25 minus 15 is 24 upon 10. Answer is 2.4. And there are no options, so you have to be very careful. हो सके, you see, read the question, answer the following questions in one sentence, one word or a figure, which means method is important. Don't simply write the answer directly, show the method. Eighteenth question is about a cyclic quadrilateral. What is a cyclic quadrilateral? साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल एक ऐसा क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जो सर्कल के अंदर है, और साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल का फॉर्मूला है, इफ दिस इज ABCD, द फॉर्मूला इज एंगल A प्लस एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल B प्लस एंगल D. गिवन क्या है? 5A इज इक्वल टू 7C. ओके, so this is one formula which you have to by heart. यहाँ पे एक दूसरा फॉर्मूला काम करेगा, that is angle A plus angle C is 180. 5A is equal to 7C. 5A is equal to 7C. तो A कितना? नहीं, C कितना? मैं C की वैल्यू ढूंढूंगा. 5A upon 7. This is the value of C which I will put here. तो एंगल A plus 5 angle A upon 7. So A plus 5A upon 7 is 180. Now I'll have to take LCM. 7A plus 5A upon 7 is 180. 12A upon 7 is 180. You see, there is so much of calculation. You cannot write direct answers. It is a must to show the calculation in one word answer. 6 2s are 6 3s are 30. 2 15s are. Answer is 105 degree. For 18th question. 19th question, there is a super shortcut. PA और PA बार अगर पूछे तो दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा सेम होना चाहिए. So PA is 8 upon 9. तो PA बार will be something upon 9. अब वो समथिंग क्या है? यहाँ पे 8 है तो यहाँ पे 1 आएगा, क्योंकि टोटल 9 होना जरूरी है. Therefore answer is 1 upon 9 without any method and it is okay. For the frequency distribution below, find the median class. Whenever they say find median class, you will have to copy the entire question and find out CF. 12, 12 plus 18, 30, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 17, 67, 67 plus 13, 80. Confirm करने के लिए 1, 2 plus 8, 10, 17, 13 हो गया 20, carry 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 80. Both are correct. CF is correct. अब n by 2. Sum of frequency 80. मतलब n 80. मतलब n by 2 40. n by 2 इसमें आएगा. Therefore, this is the median class. Literally, you are doing half of the sum to find the median class. There is no shortcut. Please write all this and solve the sum. 21. Area of the base of the cone. Cone का base एक circle होता है. And area of circle is pi r square. Therefore, answer is C for 21. 22. Curved surface area of hemisphere. It's just a formula. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Therefore, B. Perimeter. Perimeter of minor sector OAPB. Perimeter means boundary R plus R plus L, and therefore the perimeter is R plus R plus L, 2R plus L. And the last objective, area of minor sector. अब एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर इज सिंपली अ फॉर्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 360. This is big formula. There is small formula pi r l upon 180. You have to write both क्योंकि यहाँ पे l दिया हुआ है. तो ये बड़ा फॉर्मूला, ये एक मिनट, wrong, rl by 2. So please remember this. This is the short formula, this is the long formula. It is the formula to find the area of minor sector जिसका radius, angle और ये l दिया हुआ है. Write both so that they can choose. तुम्हारे मार्क्स जाने चाहिए नहीं.